Hi there guys, my name is D. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the stop light on my Honda Odyssey 2005 RB1, and it's pretty simple. Recently I lost one of my bulbs, and I'm just doing a DIY, and the things that you will need for this is right over here. So you're going to need the replacement bulb, the screwdriver, some WD-40 comes in handy, and we'll start with the screwdriver real quick. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up these two little things. Just if you want to use I just realized that I'm gonna need a little flathead screwdriver here to open these ones, and all you gotta do is open them up, and you see the screw down there. The second one goes the same way, and you see the screw down there. Now as you can see, that this could be the case with you as well. The screw might be a bit rusted. All you gotta do is probably use some WD-40 on it before you open it. I'm just gonna use some WD-40 and just wait for a while. The next step that I have for you is I'm gonna try open these. I'll give you the number. The number that I'm using is number 8 to open these screws. They're pretty easy, and they'll come out. There we go. So once you've opened both of them, it's gonna look something like this. And then you gotta be a bit cautious while you're pulling out the light, because as you can see that there are two locks right here. So you see the white locks, they had to go in there. There we go. All we got to do is pull it out. Once we have it out, this is the bulb that I'm changing today. I just twist it and pull it out, and I've already replaced it with a new one. So this is the new one. And I've already tested this as well. My old bulb is right here. So the bulb that it takes is 7443 W21, a 5 watt. And that's what it is. So 21 5 watt. Because I've done all the testing, just push this part in, and I'm gonna install the screws here, and we should be all good to go. It's been a pretty simple method. There's no need to pay high amount for labor. You can do it yourself. This is a DIY. Right. Cool. Sweet. And that's almost done. There we go. That's about it. I hope you like this video. The reason for me making this video is that I've seen all the American Honda Odysseys are on YouTube, but there were no videos for RB1. So I was doing it, and that's why I thought that I might as well share it with my friends so that it brings some ease to you guys. So this is the Japanese import Honda Odyssey RB1 2005. Have a good one. See you guys. Bye.